Hey guys, today I have this package that is from eBay. It is my Love Yourself in Seoul Blu-Ray, and I'm sorry the lighting is terrible, but I literally cannot wait. I've waited since May 4th when I placed this order, and now it's been just over a week, but I was literally anticipating this package the entire day, and now it is like 7 p.m., so the sun's about to set, but I'm still going to do this. Let's just get into this video. I'm super excited. I don't know why this box is so big, but I also already unboxed the DVD set, which you can click the info card for. But yeah, I'm really excited. That's okay. And there's also a business card. I forgot the eBay seller's name, but I will link them in the description box because I believe this was like the cheapest one. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so cold. That just goes to show that it is freaking cold here in New York. And it does come with a pre-order gift. I was kind of scared that it wouldn't. Oh my god, it's freezing. It's literally, it feels like ice. I'm kind of scared now because BTS are coming. Anyways, this is a pre-order gift. It is freezing. Oh my god, I can't get over how cold it is. So I have already shown these stickers in my DVD set unboxing, but I will also open these and show you guys for anyone who has not watched that video. We have this one, these, which are super adorable. They're like the little emblems that you get when you scan the QR codes that they give you at the concert. So pretty. I'm so excited to see them this coming Sunday. Like, I'm not prepared. I thought I was, but I'm just like so busy this week. Like, almost as busy as BTS. Like, that's how insane it is for me. So like, I don't know if I'm prepared, but this is the pre-order gift. And oh my god, this is so cold. So let's just get into this packaging. As you can see, there is this holographic rectangle here, and it says Love Yourself. And the side has their names. And then there's this part, which I failed to show in my DVD set unboxing because it was so hard to see, but it's really visible on top of the white. And then here's the back. It's just so cold, that's why you can see like my hand prints on there. I believe that is it. Here's the content list up close. And let's just open this up because I think it's getting super dark. And I'm probably the last person to unbox this as well, so yeah, but I didn't really plan to get this. I was ordering something off of Amazon, not Amazon, eBay, and I was like, okay, I'll get it. Let's do this quickly before the sun sets. Okay, there we go. It says Love Yourself, BTS World Tour Love Yourself. And then, oh, I'm so scared. Okay, I don't know whose photo book we got, but let me just put this off to the side. Oh, is there something here? Oh, it's like raised. So there's actually very little stuff in here, but I guess they do that. So the boxes are the same size. And, okay, I'm like so... Okay, I see the card. Let me just place it off to the side. And this is the digipack. It's cold. I'm never going to stop talking about how cold it is. So it does say the location, which is the Olympic Stadium in Seoul, because it's Love Yourself Seoul. Love Yourself in Seoul, sorry. What's that? Oh, I'm so sorry about that. And I'm so glad that I got it before, you know, getting the other DVD sets. So there's the content list and the song list. Oh my god. Okay. So here are the DVDs. Let's just go through the first one. So it looks like that. I've never gotten a Blu-ray set before, so I'm like really happy about this. Like, the quality is going to be amazing. So behind the CD, of course, there are the Her flowers. And then we have the black one. I think this is black. Or is it like dark blue? Oh, it's blue. Yep, blue. And we have the tear unraveled flowers, I guess. And then this is Answer, of course. Well, these flowers are Answer. They're hard to see. But yeah. And this is like a light, like purpley silver. You know, like that like really trendy hair color. It kind of looks like that. Or I'm tripping and it's just silver. I can't really tell. And also, like, the panels are really pretty holographic color. I really don't remember what they look like for the DVD set. But yeah, that is what this looks like. Oh, I forgot to show you guys what this part looks like. But that is the digipack. And, oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, well, here is the photo card that I already like, popped out. Wow, I'm really happy with this. It is so thin. It's so malleable. But yeah, it is so pretty. Look at that. It's just the sticker, but in photo card form, kind of. They're similar enough. So there's that. Oh my god, I'm so scared. What is this? This is like the entire group. Okay, so I'm still hiding from the random item because I don't want to know who I'm getting. Oh my god, look at that. So pretty. Whoa. Wow. Yes, I'm not over these outfits. I'm sure the new ones are amazing. Like, also, please don't talk about them. I'm still not there. I still have a few days to go, but these outfits. Okay, yes. So there's the really super thin OT7 photo book. So, okay, it's behind here. Let's just, how do I do it? I can't even do it because my tripod's in the way. How do I do it? I'm nervous. Oh my god, it has it. What is this? Oh my god, I think I got V. Right? Is this V? I'm pretty sure this is V. Wait, right? Wait, oh my god, girls are told. Oh, I'm so confused. Because both of them have this hair for Seoul. I don't know who this is. I don't know until I open it. Oh my god. I don't know who that is. Come on. Oh my god! No. No, you have to shut the front door. No. I'm deceased. I don't know, guys. Whoa. Oh my god. Do you see this? I'm so happy. I haven't gotten my Jungkook things in so long. Okay, like, cause I've been getting a lot of Jimin things. I can't complain, but like, Jungkook is my bias, like, my number one. Like, thanks, Jungkook, for coming to me. Thank you. I feel so blessed and lucky right now. Oh my god. I want to scream. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't need to trade. I don't need to do anything. I actually don't remember whose photo card. I got V's photo card, so if I got his photo book, oh my god, I would have a full set. But I'm really glad that I got Jungkook. Oh my god. Yo, this is, it looks so good. I saw a little like sparkle. I don't know what's up with this eyebrow, but oh my god. Yes. This is so thin. I don't know if it's worth it, but man, oh, I'm living for these photos. I can't believe I'm seeing them again. It just hit me. Oh. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait for more DVD and Blu-ray sets. Here's Fake Love. Tasty. Yes. Yes. Look how cute. I'm dying. I still want one of those shirts, but I'll never be able to get one because they're so expensive. Oh my god. I'm just dying. Look how cute he is. I also really love this hair on him, and I wish he had dyed his hair for this comeback. Like, man, oh man. But I swear, if like when he goes to Brazil and Europe, he dyes his hair, I will die. I'll be like, I need to go there. I need to like teleport myself there somehow. Oh my god. I'm sorry. My emotions got the best of me. I just can't believe it, okay? I was prepared for this to be a terrible video because the lighting sucks, but of all days, okay? Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got Jungkook. Oh my god. So, that is my super duper messy unboxing of the Love Yourself. What is it? This is the cover. The Love Yourself, the BTS World Tour Love Yourself in Seoul Blu-ray. And yeah, everything is so freaking pretty. Do you guys not see this? Do you guys not see my bias here? Anyways, it's kind of confusing. I know some people think that my bias is Jimin because I collect Jimmy and I'm always like, I want Jimin stuff, because for a while I was deprived of Jimin stuff. Like, I would not get his photo card ever, but I just got a bunch of his from Apple's Persona, so I'm like, you can chill. I need some more Jungkook stuff because, you know, I'm still very loyal to Jungkook. So yes, I'm so happy. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, or actually if you just didn't find me too annoying for this video, a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye everyone!